Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a common problem many of us face when using our devices, the issue of slow performance. Whether you're using a computer, smartphone, or tablet, we've all experienced that frustrating lag that can slow us down. It's a problem that can affect our productivity and overall user experience. But fret not, because we've got a solution for you. In order to address this nagging problem of slow performance, the solution lies in optimizing your device's storage space. By clearing out unnecessary files and applications, you can free up valuable space on your device, allowing it to run more efficiently. This simple yet effective solution can make a world of difference in how your device performs, giving you a smoother and faster user experience. Another key aspect of a solution to slow performance is to ensure that your device's software is up to date. Software updates often include important performance enhancements and bug fixes that can help improve the overall speed and efficiency of your device. By staying on top of these updates, you can ensure that your device is running at its best. To sum it up, if you're experiencing slow performance on your device, the key solutions are to optimize your storage space and keep your software up to date. By following these simple steps, you can help alleviate the frustration of lagging devices and enjoy a smoother user experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. We always love hearing from you.